Hi everyone, today I'm here with an unboxing of the San Luis Folia wine glasses. So as I've already covered San Luis in a couple of other videos, I won't repeat all of the history here. Feel free to refer to those previous videos for more information about the brand and its connection with Hermes. Today I'm just going to focus on the unboxing of these wine glasses. So we actually got two different types of glasses. These are, I believe, the white wine glasses. We will find out shortly. Definitely a really nice box with the San Luis logo. And really well packed with foam all the way around. And actually there are a lot of spots in here. So I think these two are the actual wine glasses. So as is typical, there is a little pamphlet here about some information about the brand and care. San Luis crystal is very well made, very durable, and they typically recommend washing it occasionally with a little bit of vinegar to help remove any deposits and any stains that might be in there and really help keep the crystal sparkling really nicely. So just to confirm, these slots are empty. I was hoping that they shipped us some extra glasses, but really doubt that was the case. So let me see. There we go. There's one. There's the other. So even the paper is pretty cool. You can see the workers in France, doing their thing, gathering the materials and blowing the crystal, which is pretty cool. So here's one. I will do the second as well. Okay. So we chose the Folia collection because of its contemporary style, and there's actually a little bit of a story behind the Folia. So the San Luis workshop in France is actually situated in the Moselle forest, and really the inspiration from this collection came from one of the employees at San Luis walking through the forest and really being inspired by the various leaves and other things that he saw in the forest on his walks. So there's a wide variety of pieces everywhere from like lights to tableware to furniture to decorations, and we decided to start off with the wine glasses. So these actually have a very sturdy feel to them. I believe the weight on this, let me just see if I can find it here, is about 335 grams, so almost a pound, roughly speaking. The height of the glass is 8.5 inches from bottom of the stem to top of the glass, and the diameter of the glass is 3.5 inches. So we thought this would make a really nice, elegant white wine glass. And as I turn it around, hopefully you can see the sparkles and all the radiance come through, especially in this bottom section here on the crystal. It really is quite stunning. And one of the things I really love about San Luis is the quality and attention to detail. And especially when they do these designs like this, they're actually part of the glass. So it's actually like a three-dimensional textured feel to it, and that variation in depth also causes that radiance and that sparkle. So that's true of the tumbler glasses that I reviewed a few months ago, and that's true of these wine glasses as well. And as I mentioned, but can't understate, it has a really nice sturdy feel to it. It's not too heavy, but it's substantial enough that you feel like you're holding a really high quality glass. So these wine glasses, if you go on the San Luis website, you'll see that they retail for 148 euros. And with the exchange rate that MS set when we originally ordered these as of November 2020, that translates to $195 US per glass. There is a little bit of a back order on these. We did have to wait several weeks for them to come in stock, but so far I would say it's definitely worth the wait. And one thing I'm just noticing too, even if you look at the stem, the bottom of the stem, obviously there's a QR code there and the logo, but you can see how it really melds really nicely, really smoothly all the way up to the actual glass. There's no sharp lines, there's no really imperfections there at all. It's definitely a really nice, high quality glass that we are excited to try out soon. So we are planning to use these for white wine, and we have 2 red wine glasses as well that we have ordered that will hopefully be here in the next few days. So these are the San Luis Folia wine glasses. Thank you for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any feedback or questions below, and I'll see you next time.